Yeah, always with the bikes, Heidi. Get over yourself. Yes, I'll listen to you.
It's because I had a snowball fight naked.
Amy, have you ever met Max?
I know. I've only met Jeffrey and...
Gorgeous daughters.
Who? Who's your oldest son?
Jesse?
Esther,
Jesse
Corinne.
and Jeffrey.
It runs in the
Jesse.
family. He has beautiful children.
Jeffrey's
And
my
his
oldest son,
granddaughters.
Jesse is the youngest.
The Kardashians can kiss my ass. His granddaughters are gorgeous.
Right. I got one daughter in Texas, one daughter who rides in
Hey, there's Leah.
Esther
Chowing down.
and Corinne, they are awesome. Amy, they would love you. We
Oh,
could
yeah.
get together.
Oh, yeah.
Do.
I'm going to a
I
summer
said
party.
Corinne was up last week, but she got sick. She's sick, you know. She's going to... Well, she went
But
today to find out what's
Esther,
going
I
on.
love Esther. I love her.
Esther's different. Check out my ears.
We're taking pictures.
Oh, oh.
We're taking pictures. This also takes. There we go. It's Mac and Amy. Oh,
yeah.
let's take a picture with this. I know it happens by accident sometimes.
That is wicked
know
cute.
how.
Rob, take one.
Tell all the boys back
I
home.
never seen that.
Well, there's
Good
this
luck
girl
or
that
bad
rides
luck.
with us. And yeah.
And you
Hot
can't
chick.
take him anywhere. He picks up girls.
Ah,
Yeah.
I'll tell you what. And they all flock to him. There's some.
Little higher.
What is it? It's
No.
not his
There
There
aftershave.
you go. Nope.
They're all after my money.
Up a little higher.
Yeah, we know what happens to women who are after him.
There you go. All right, there we go.
oh my God.
There aren't any kids looking out.
No, no, you gotta get up a little higher.
Take your hat.
There you go.
The kids are looking out the window. You know.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my
Okay.
God.
Okay, let me see these.
Okay, you're done.
Hold on.
The kids are in the kitchen. Watch out the window.
What?
I wouldn't suggest telling she's related.
Is it so bad you can't put it on
No, you
Facebook?
put it on Facebook.
There'll be cops in your driveway.
That's nothing.
Just tell them the cops took
That's
their
so
picture.
cute, though. Yeah, there you go. I love it. I love it.
I want to see it. I
Absolutely.
want to see it.
It was the cop
Absolutely.
what done it.
Right. Goddamn cops.
This is what happens. Yeah. This is what happens when you let cops pass the end of
That's
the
right.
driveway.
Fucking cops, anyways. Oh, Jesus Christ. Take a look at this one.
Holy
That's the other one.
I didn't
Oh, look at Mac. He looks dead.
I was pushing my hat
She
down.
looks
What are you
like
kidding? The girls are on the internet. Oh, you mean on your phone
like an internet service.
to transfer the phone to the internet.
That's gonna be a riot.
I'm gonna have to get some footage in the morning that's like, you know, not X-rated.